Let's get started with creating our first Salesforce screen flow. If you have watched our previous episode where we talked about different types of Salesforce flows, where we have explained you in detail what are Salesforce screen flows. In this episode, when we will be creating our first screen flow, before we even start creating our screen flow, it is important to understand why Salesforce screen flows are used and what are the use cases in which we should consider them. For just highlighting the key purposes or key situations in which we should be using the Salesforce screen flows, I have created a slide where I am showcasing you some key bullet points, and the first bullet point goes like this: the screen flow should be used for the processes which requires user interaction, meaning that you should be opting for screen flows where you want your users to interact with some screens or some forms to fill out some information. Like they say, these screen flows display screens to the user where they can collect the information from the users and perform certain actions based on the different information entered by the user. This makes them really helpful and useful tool for the application where it is required to ask users to fill out some forms, update certain records, and guiding users through some step-by-step process. One good example here could be when you when you shop for a product on any online store where you ask certain information to the user, like you ask some of the basic information about the user, like the name, email or phone number where the order will be delivered, the address. Then you ask for payment information on the next step. Once all the required information are entered by the user, we either show the confirmation message, or in case there is some issue, we show the error message. So those kind of user interaction related applications we can, or situations, we can consider Salesforce screen flows. I hope the purpose of Salesforce screen flow is now clear to you, and now let's get started with actual implementation in our Salesforce Developer org.